So AMC have a really good reaction today, and not just today, guys. Since the 15th of May until now, almost 24%. Slow but steady. You know why? Because we got near this bottom support as we discussed before. We didn't even test it, so this is a really good reaction around the $1.17, and after the good earnings that we got back in the 5th of May. For GameStop, the good thing is we reversed technically from the 21.37 and we did 4%. So is this the time for load up on both of them or not? As usual, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And yes, AMC and GameStop looking interesting, especially for AMC right now because it's getting near the $1.94. If we did this huge jump, guys, if we just break this level, we gonna have a confirmation for another leg up toward almost the 250. So we missing another 20%. If we have this jump up tomorrow, of course, in the pre-market, or not tomorrow, next Tuesday, because Monday the market is closed, we're gonna do update, of course, on our Discord and Patreon for you guys. So for now, we're gonna do another checkup for the market. Let's see, we got, let me filter. Yeah. So as we said, guys, AMC looking really interesting around almost the $2. So if we broke the $2, will be really great toward the 250 and then toward the $3.46. For GameStop, on the other hand, we have the 21.37. If we held, we're gonna break the 23. The 23, it is the confirmation that the short seller will cover around this area, and after that, we're gonna have the 26, 25, and maybe the 28. But for now, we're still consolidating sideways. The volume is a bit light on GameStop for just 400K, but for AMC, 4 million. You see a lot of traders or apes buying AMC more than GameStop because they see it as undervalued, and of course around the bottom, the $1. That's why GameStop still not have many attraction right now, and still didn't have a meaningful reversal or even volume because it's still low on action. Maybe this change at the end of this month, because the good thing that we saw is holding the 21. We didn't break the 21 because this is where the huge wick that we had reversal on the last earnings, as you see here. So this is a significant player who buying slowly right now for GameStop over the 21.37. Of course, we're going to do update for both of them for the next week on Tuesday on our live stream as usual, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys.